Hello friends, my name is Kathleen Hansen and this is my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today we're going to do several vocal warm-ups and vocal exercises to improve your singing. Working on these exercises over time will improve the strength and coordination of your voice. Before we start singing, take a moment to align the body. We want to find balance, release tension, invite in openness, and a natural, easy breath. We'll start on a key sound, like key, 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 As a quick reminder, all of these exercises are listed below, and do feel free to switch octaves as you need to. We're going to move now to a glide on a semi-occluded sound, which is great for warming up the voice. We have a lot of choices on which sound to use. You can sing on a v sound, like or through a straw, or a vocal trainer device like this one. You can read about this below. Let's try it. Great, and let's side down. Let's relax now on a descending pattern. We're going to check in with and release jaw and tongue tension. We're going to sing this today on ya, 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 like ya, 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 ya. For this next exercise, let's keep it light and easy as we sing on the sounds gaila gai. Gaila, 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 gai. my mobile app for singers, which is called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen, is available for all platforms. There are now dozens of warm-ups to choose from, on the go, wherever you are. It's got some great new features. It's super convenient to use. Check out the links below or search for Vocal Warmups with Kathleen on the app or Google Play Store. Now let's work a little bit on a few different vowels and focus on agility and accuracy. We're going to sing on the sounds ni, ne, na, no, nu, like ni, ne, na, no, nu. Not too fast on this one. Ni, ne, na, no, nu. 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 Sounds great. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my content. It really helps the channel to reach more people. Let's think about our entire vocal tract feeling gently rounded as we sing on the sounds su, su. We can try su, su, su. Su, su, su. And let's sigh down one more time. That allows us to just really relax in between exercises. In order to build coordination and a flexible, neutral larynx, we're going to sing on g, 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 like g, 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 g. Some range extension. We're going to sing a full octave arpeggio on Z, ah. Make sure that E doesn't get too tight, and the ah is just going to help us glide over the top. No judgment as we get to the extremes of our range. We'll sing Z, ah, Z, ah, Z, ah, Z, ah, Z, Thank you as always for singing with me. When you like and subscribe and comment and share with a friend, it does help my channel and it helps find more singers like you. Do hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I publish new videos. I have some great things coming up. I do hope you'll check out my app in the App or Google Play Store. I will see you next time.